There are 6 money management skills every high school student should have learned before graduating. If you haven't mastered them, take the time to do so now to set up yourself for future financial success. Today, we'll show you some of the most important personal finance basics for high school students. So stick around till the end where I'll show you how to master money and increase your wealth. Number 1, setting up a budget. A budget is a plan for how to spend your money that factors in your income and expenses, and it's the key to succeeding financially. If you're planning on working, you need to estimate how much it is going to cost to move out and how much you need to have saved up for a deposit on an apartment. You will also need to budget for expenses such as utilities, clothes, food, and fun. So make separate budgets for every category you think you'll have to spend money on every month. Number 2, plan for your future. If you do not create a financial plan, chances are you will not be ready when you want to take the next step in your life. This can include such things as, buying a new car, purchasing a home, or getting married. Although these events might sound like they are in the distant future, you can start planning for them now. Create a 5-year plan that will outline the steps you want to take in the next few years. Number 3, investing. Investing can be intimidating if you do not have at least a rudimentary understanding of how the stock market works and how to choose and invest stocks. A basic investing class can make a huge difference in how you handle your money in college and as an adult. Learn basic investing principles in high school, such as asset allocation, diversification, and rebalancing, and you'll start your investing career ahead of the game. If you do not want to do that work, invest in a normal index fund that has low fees and tracks the broad market. Number 4, how to build credit card and manage credit cards. While many college students are targeted for credit card offers, chances are high that they lack the knowledge on how to use credit cards successfully. They often view them as extra money instead of as a tool. That's because they likely weren't taught in high school. The Everfi study found that college students had particularly low success rates in answering basic questions about credit card use, credit history, and similar roles. In addition to using credit cards, learning how to build credit and increase your credit score are basic financial skills. A good credit score can help you in renting an apartment essentially, qualifying for lower interest rates on a mortgage or a car loan, or even paying less for car insurance or having an emergency fund. To do this, first apply for a secured credit card that requires a deposit, usually about $100. Pay off your balance every month and never use more than 5% of your monthly limit. Without, spending too much money, within 6 to 8 months, you'll have credit score better than most Americans. Renting an apartment and paying for utilities. Many students start their college careers living in dorms, which means they do not need to worry about finding and paying for housing or managing other household bills like utilities or cable. However, dorm life doesn't last forever, so it's important to learn how to rent and maintain an apartment and split bills with your roommates. Learning how to handle a property as a student can set you up for future success when you buy a home and must budget for the ongoing costs of home ownership. College and high school will be tough. You will be on your own, so make sure to start understanding how to manage your life a little bit easier. Trust me, it will reduce your stress by a lot later on. Number 6, life skills. Although these chores may not seem to relate to finance, grocery shopping, cooking, cleaning, and other errands can save you a lot of money in comparison to dining out or using a meal planning or maid service. With basic financial skills, you can find the best prices on food and clothes and plan practical menus to get you through college, high school, and beyond. Other skills like doing the laundry, grocery shopping, and performing simple car maintenance tasks on your own can help prolong the life of your possessions, ultimately saving you even more money. Now, if you don't know this, you're probably a Gen Z. And so therefore, we've learned that 43% of Gen Z respondents surveyed answer that they feel their level of personal finance knowledge is holding them back from making financial progress, compared with 51% of millennials and 26% of Gen X and older. And they are right. It is holding them back from their full potential. The positives that come with having a financial education are undeniable, such as promotes good savings habit. Just imagine if your child came out of high school and started immediately saving for their future. I mean, imagine if we all had. Budgeting teaches awareness and responsibility. If someone has a budget that they actively manage, it forces them to look at their spending. They are aware of how much they have available, and this leads to making better spending decisions. Now, smart financial decisions positively affect one's credit score, which impacts their entire life. Getting a job, applying for a credit card, renting an apartment, buying a home or car, getting insurance, even signing up for their power bill. Having an excellent credit score means saving thousands and thousands of dollars in interest payments over their lifetime. Now, more jobs, more money, and less debt are also good for the economy as a whole. Also, understanding money management leads to financial health and positive attitudes around money. People's attitudes around money can be instrumental in shaping their character, plus promotes the desire to give back. Alright everyone, we hope you enjoyed the video and got some value out of it. If you did, let us know what you think. Comment below if you have better ideas on your own ways of managing your personal finance in high school. Now, remember to subscribe and like the video. It helps us tremendously. Stay well and see you in the next one.